On this project, we're doing a big piling job for a Danish construction company called DS Flexhal. They're building 2 new buildings for production facilities. We're doing precast piles, 350 times 350. Length from 12 to 18 meters. Altogether, we will do about 1,100 piles. We have a good partnership with Liebherr. We have a lot of Liebherr rigs going around. We bought the LRH 200 because it's a good size machine for us. There's a 10-ton hammer on it. It has a lot of angles and we can go far away and distances. We get a lot of piles in the ground.
On the LRH 200 there's a process data recording system. It records all the relevant data from the machine and also the process data. The piling crew, the piling foreman or the hammer operator is installing the sensor at the pile.
We measure the strain during pile driving with a strain transducer and the acceleration with an accelerometer. From the measured strain, we calculate the force in the pile, and from the acceleration, we calculate the velocity and also the capacity of the pile when the pile is driven to final penetration. The common way to do the testing is having an experienced engineer and the main control unit on the site, but we have a new development. This is the so-called PDA Edge. The radio will send the data to the Edge device and from there to the testing computer somewhere else in the world without having the engineer on site.
The engineer is sitting in an authorized pile driving analyzer office. In this authorized office, the engineers are analyzing the files and then they send it back to the customer. At the end, you have a pile capacity calculated, and all these data are constantly merged and updated in a construction site portal. And this is what we call MyJobsite. We have all live data together, machine data, process data, and just all overall job site data. They are all collected in MyJobsite. And at the end, you have really a tested pile driven by an impact hammer.